The intention with what people come to every seminar, every lecture is that people want some tips. And that is a very natural tendency. Even when I was a student or when I was also in my learning stages, I used to go to seminar. I used to always think like this, okay, what is the seminar fees? Okay, in those days it was not so expensive, fortunately. 200 rupees, ठीक है चलो. Then of course for that 200 rupees I had to think where I would have to cut my expenses to get those 200 rupees. I used to charge 20 rupees for my patients, so I used to think, okay, ये 200 rupees में मुझे क्या सीखने को मिलेगा? Okay, I might learn two names of medicines with their indications. Okay, then those two remedies I will get, so I will be able to solve 2 cases of mine. So 20 to 40 rupees first time का, or that patient when they will improve they will come at least for another 2-3 months. So चलो ठीक है 200 rupees तो निकल जाएगा. और अगर 3 पेशेंट उसमें से 3 रेमेडी मिल गई सीखने को तो बोनस, तो फिर चले आज तो दिवाली हो गई, चांदी हो गई. That's what with the intention with which I used to go. And what used to happen is that when I used to go like this, sometimes you get zero, nothing, and then you feel अरे ये तो 300 रुपया वेस्ट हो गया, अभी ये दूसरा सेमिनार में से कैसे भी करके इसको निकालना पड़ेगा. And the good thing about these seminars is with the intention with I used to go is not only that you learn in the seminars, sometimes you will even learn not only in the seminar classroom but also in the washroom. So I will not tell you the name of 2 eminent homeopaths, but in the break all of us were standing in a line doing our job. On my left hand side there was one very eminent homeopath. On my right hand side there was another even bigger eminent homeopath standing there. And so this homeopath asked this homeopath a question, अरे तू कैल्किनियस पर में क्या करता है यार, मतलब बहुत टफ है, ठीक ही नहीं होते हैं, कौन सा दवाई देता है? And this homeopath answered back, अरे क्या सिंपल है, बहुत इजी है, कैल्किनियस पर मैं तो ये दवाई देता हूँ, ठीक हो जाता है. अच्छा पक्का? अरे हाँ बहुत केस ठीक किया. अच्छा ठीक है, ओके, अभी कल से मैं यूज़ करने वाला हूँ. एंड आई एम लिस्टिंग देयर क्वाइटली. ओके चलो ठीक है, आज तो बोनस का भी बोनस हो गया. सेमिनार में तो सीखने को मिला, लेकिन इधर भी कुछ आज एक रेमेडी का नाम मिल गया डिजीज़ के लिए. दैट इज़ द इंटेंशन विद विच वी यूज्ड टू गो. And I am sure you also all have come with the same intention. But don't worry, that's nothing wrong in that. At least you are trying to learn. But if I teach you one remedy or 2 remedy, if I show you 1 case, 2 case, this case is not going to come to you. You are not going to get the same case again. So what I am going to show you a case and on what symptoms I have prescribed, you are not going to get the same case. And even if you get the same case, you are not going to get the same symptom. And even if that case is of the same remedy, the entry point will be a different entry rather than the same symptoms through which I entered. So if a sulfur patient comes to us, you can have a sulfur patient who is ragged philosopher. Everybody knows about that, dirty, कुछ not bothered about his clothing, वो झोला डाल के जो अपना इमेज है ना सल्फर का. Whenever you talk of sulfur, the first thing that comes to mind is वो झोला डाल के आदमी जो घूमने वाला, पाँव में सैंडल चप्पल टूटा हुआ फूटा हुआ, थोड़ा यहाँ से वो थोड़ा वो जब्बा लहंगा पहना हुआ शायद, all not iron, dirty, 3 दिन से धोया नहीं, थोड़ा स्मेल भी बदबू भी मार रहा है, बड़े बड़ी बातें कर रहा है, फेंक रहा है, दाढ़ी वाड़ी बनाया हुआ है, ऐसा खुजा रहा है, ये कर रहा है, वो कर रहा है, we have that image. But that's not, I still yet to see a sulfur like that in my practice. Believe me, in my 23 years of practice, I have still yet to see a sulfur like that. If you get that kind of sulfur, I am sure everybody can prescribe, but you don't get. In fact, the sulfurs who come in my clinic are all well dressed, absolutely, very tip top. When they come outside, they have a big car, they have a chauffeur driven car. As soon as they walk in, they open the door, boom, that, and then suddenly everybody looks up, what happened, and then he walks in. Doctor साहब को बोलो मैं आया हूँ. This is how they walk in. So the sulfurs what you see are going to be psychotic sulfurs, businessmen, successful people who made a lot of money. And as soon as they come in, oh hello doctor, how are you? आप उसको जानते हैं क्या? बाद में बात, पहले सीधा हो गया, इवन इज बिफोर सिटिंग, आप उनको जानते हैं ना, उन्होंने आपका बहुत रिकमेंड किया नाम एकदम, इसलिए मैं आया आपके पास। आई हैव बीन टू द बेस्ट ऑफ द डॉक्टर्स, मैं इनको दिखा गया, मैं इनको 10 डॉक्टर्स का नाम ले लेंगे, फट फट फट, बड़े बड़े बॉम्बे के टॉप नोस डॉक्टर्स का नाम ले लेंगे, इनको दिखाया, नो बडी हेल्प। अभी देखते चलो, बोले उन्होंने बोला आपका, चलो ये भी ट्राई कर लेते, देखते हैं आप में भी क्या है, देखते, that's how they come and then they, okay, we say, okay, sit down, yes, tell me what is the problem. So this is how you need to know how every remedy is going to react differently in your practice, in your cases, in your clinic. You know how to catch them. And the one question that everybody has, I always start my seminars with this slide. What is the important question that everybody wants to know? With which what you have come in your mind is what? What do you want to know?
How to arrive at the remedy.
Absolutely. How to arrive at the remedy. You attended my lecture before? That's why I said, I looked, I said, nobody knew basis, चलो ठीक है, वांदा नहीं, जुना स्लाइड कोई दिखा दूंगा चलेगा, but ये तो गड़बड़ हो गया सब. Please don't tell the remedy name when I show the case. तो सस्पेंस का पिक्चर का एंड दी एंड पहले ही हो जाएगी. If it's a book, you can always go to the last page and read, na? If it's a movie, you can ask somebody to go spend the money and then you ask him, कैसा है, देखने जैसा है, खर्चा करूँ क्या? नहीं, वरना नहीं करूँ. So here don't open the suspense. The question that you have is how to arrive at the remedy. A patient is sitting in front of us. First thing that strikes is, he has come to us to get a remedy from us. How to arrive at that remedy? That's the question. And to arrive at that remedy, and how to arrive at the remedy and what is the remedy. Most of us are interested only in what is the remedy. Pointer. Most of us are interested only in this. What is the remedy? Not even how to arrive at the remedy. But more important is, if you know how to arrive at the remedy, then this becomes immaterial. Because if you know, then each and every case you can solve that way. And that is what, when I say I want to teach you fishing and not fish. I can give you one remedies, I can give you two remedies. In 1 hour I can show you 10 cases also. So and so patient came with so and so disease, so and so symptoms I took and gave, and this was the remedy, this is the improvement, the patient better. I can show you 10 cases, but that's not going to help you at all, is it? Half the time, by the time you reach to your ground floor, you will not even remember. If I tell you to ask you those 10 cases and 10 remedies, you will not even be able to tell me what are the remedies that I have given. Forget about remembering or taking something home. So what we are interested is in this, how to arrive at the remedy. Secondary, what is the remedy? And if you learn this, how to arrive at the remedy, then this becomes easier. And this is possible by group remedies. So what I have done is, I am a very lazy person. I don't like working hard. I will tell you frankly. Please, I am opening all my secrets to you. बाहर जाके बोलना नहीं किसी को. Dr. Ammani बोला, he is very lazy. He doesn't believe in. I don't read Materia Medicus. So don't go and quote me. Dr. Ammani बोला Materia Medica is useless. पढ़ने का जरूरत ही नहीं, खाली repertory करो. No, I am lazy. I don't like. I want something more concrete. I want something more structured. Materia Medica, what we have, is a treasure. But that is, you need time for it, and you need to go into details of it, and then you need to make a gist and summary. So that takes time. Unfortunately, in busy practice, you don't have that. So you need a system where you can easily arrive at a remedy very fast. A patient is sitting in front of you, he is narrating your symptoms, your case taking has already started, and during your case taking only, you want to arrive at the remedy, or at least you have to have some idea that, okay, he can be this,